Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Blackmagic camera app for iPhone. The Blackmagic camera app for iPhone offers powerful camera controls to help you shoot professional quality video. Here's a guide on how to use it. Launch the app by tapping its icon, then check all two boxes to allow access. Then hit continue. Now, let us familiarize with the interface. Live view. This is the main screen showing what your camera sees. Controls panel. At the bottom and sides of the screen, you'll find various camera controls. Now, let's set the frame and resolution. Tap the frame rate, FPS to adjust how many frames per second your video will capture. Common frame rates include 24 FPS for cinematic shots or 30 FPS for standard video. Now go to settings. Tap the resolution in the bottom left corner to set the video resolution. For example, 720p or 4K. Now go back to live view. Let us adjust the camera settings. Exposure settings. Tap the exposure meter to adjust shutter speed, ISO, and white balance. These controls help ensure your video is well lit and properly exposed. Focus. Manually adjust the focus by tapping the screen, the focus control icon, or just use the autofocus feature. Zoom. Pinch on the screen to zoom in or zoom out. Use the LUT lookup tables. Tap the mini square to expand options. Tap the LUT button to apply cinematic looks or color grading to your video while shooting. LUTs help create professional color effects. Now, to record the video, press the record button, large red circle, to start recording your video. Then press it again to stop recording. Tap the audio level meter to adjust microphone input levels, or choose external audio sources if connected. Tap the media to review your recorded footage directly within the app. Advanced features. The app also allows for anamorphic squeeze, histogram display, and other advanced camera tools for more professional filmmaking. Once you've finished shooting, you can export your videos from the app to your camera roll or directly upload to platforms like YouTube or social media. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.